This vehicle can be driven from the roof with 5 passengers sitting right next to you. That's not a concept car, that's the DecoLiner, and it's fully street legal. The DecoLiner was built by Randy Grubb, a custom vehicle builder and automotive artist from Grants Pass, Oregon. He started the project around 2011 and finished it in roughly 18 months, working alone in his own shop. The goal was to build a one-of-a-kind motorhome that looked like it came straight out of a 1940s science fiction film. Grubb is also the man behind Jay Leno's famous tank car, powered by a 29-liter patent tank engine. The DecoLiner was his next challenge, and his most ambitious one. The DecoLiner is 26 feet long and built entirely from hand-fabricated aluminum. From the outside, it looks like a cross between a vintage Airstream trailer, a 1940s Streamliner train, and something from a Flash Gordon movie. That is exactly what Grubb was going for. The front end comes from a 1953 white COE, a cab-over-engine truck, giving the DecoLiner its distinctive round bulldog nose. The body has curved lines, rounded, riveted aluminum panels, and hand-blown glass porthole windows running along the sides. There is no sharp edge anywhere on this vehicle. Everything flows from the front cab to the rounded rear in one continuous Art Deco shape. On top, the rooftop flying bridge deck is fully enclosed with a railing and seating for 5 passengers alongside the driver. The DecoLiner runs on the drivetrain from a 1973 GMC Motorhome. That original GMC platform used an Oldsmobile 455 cubic-inch V8 engine. The 455 is a large displacement gasoline V8, known for strong low-end torque. One key reason Grubb chose the 1973 GMC Motorhome chassis specifically was its unusually low profile. That front-wheel drive platform sits lower than most comparable chassis, which allowed Grubb to build the roof driving station without pushing the vehicle over the 13-foot legal height limit for road use. The chassis was updated and prepared for the build with help from Applied GMC in Northern California. Inside, the DecoLiner operates much like a standard motorhome. The lower driving position sits at the front, behind the round windshield of the white COE cab. The driver operates the vehicle using a conventional steering wheel, pedals, and controls from this lower station. But here's where it gets unusual. When Grubb wants to drive from the roof, he removes the steering wheel from the lower column and attaches a removable shaft that connects directly to the steering system below. He then takes the steering wheel up to the flying bridge on top. From there, the driver sits 11 feet and 6 inches above the road, just below the legal maximum height. The accelerator and brake are also operable from the roof station. The vehicle is fully functional from both positions. The flying bridge is the defining feature of the DecoLiner. It is not a viewing deck, it is not a novelty add-on. It is a completely functional second driving station mounted on the roof of a street-legal motorhome. The driver sits outdoors, fully exposed to the open air, nearly 12 feet above the pavement, steering a 26-foot aluminum motorhome down public roads. Up to 5 passengers can sit alongside the driver on the roof in open-air seating. No production vehicle offers anything like this. The DecoLiner was built as a personal expression of automotive art, not as a commercial product and not as a racing vehicle. Grubb's stated concept was to create a motorhome that looked like Flash Gordon's personal road vehicle from the 1940s. He succeeded. Grubb and his wife drove the DecoLiner across the United States multiple times before eventually selling it in 2020. It appeared on Jay Leno's garage in 2012, where Leno drove it from both the lower cab and the rooftop position. It also appeared at the Barrett-Jackson Scottsdale auction in January 2012 and attracted significant attention on the show floor. The DecoLiner later appeared on the television series Storage Wars, where Barry Weiss used it as his signature vehicle. The DecoLiner sold for $500,000 in February 2020, making it one of the most valuable custom-built motorhomes ever sold. It proved that a one-person operation working with hand tools in a private shop in Oregon could produce a vehicle with the presence and craftsmanship of a museum exhibit. Randy Grubb went on to build a spiritual successor, the Magic Bus, using a 1947 Divco milk truck nose on a similar GMC motorhome chassis, commissioned by one of his patrons. The DecoLiner is studied and referenced in the custom vehicle world as an example of what American craft building can achieve when pushed to its absolute limit. It stands as proof that the line between vehicle and art does not have to exist. The DecoLiner is 26 feet of hand-formed aluminum, Art Deco design, and a roof you can drive from. Randy Grubb built it alone in Oregon in 18 months and sold it for $500,000. There has never been another vehicle quite like it. If you want more deep dives into the most unique vehicles ever built, subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss one.